Introduction to seasonal adaptations. Animals face various challenges as seasons change, from temperature fluctuations to changes in food availability. To survive, many animals have developed remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in different seasonal conditions. These adaptations can be behavioral, physiological, or morphological, ensuring that animals can cope with the demands of each season. Hibernation during winter. One of the most well-known adaptations to seasonal change is hibernation. Animals like bears, hedgehogs, and bats enter a state of dormancy during winter when food is scarce and temperatures are low. During hibernation, their metabolic rate slows down, body temperature drops, and they rely on stored body fat for energy. This adaptation allows them to conserve energy and survive long periods without food. Migration for warmer climates. Migration is another strategy animals use to adapt to seasonal changes. Birds, fish, and even some mammals migrate to warmer regions during the winter months to find food and suitable living conditions. For example, monarch butterflies travel thousands of miles from North America to Mexico to escape the cold. Migration helps animals avoid harsh weather conditions and ensures access to resources necessary for survival. Seasonal coat changes. Many animals adapt to seasonal changes by altering their physical appearance. Some species, such as Arctic foxes and snowshoe hares, change their fur color to blend in with the environment. In winter, their coats turn white to match the snow, providing camouflage from predators. As the seasons change and the snow melts, their fur changes back to brown or gray, helping them stay hidden in their surroundings. Storing food for the winter. To prepare for winter, some animals gather and store food during the warmer months. Squirrels, for instance, collect nuts and bury them in various locations to retrieve later when food is scarce. This behavior ensures they have a steady food supply during winter when foraging would be difficult. Similarly, beavers store branches and logs in their lodges, allowing them to feed throughout the colder months. Physiological changes. Animals also undergo physiological changes to adapt to seasonal variations. For example, some animals develop thicker fur or blubber to insulate against the cold. Deer grow thicker coats in winter, which are shed in spring as temperatures rise. In contrast, animals in hot climates may develop adaptations like panting or sweating to cool down during the summer. Reproductive timing. Reproduction in many animals is closely linked to the seasons. Some species time their breeding seasons to coincide with periods of abundant food, ensuring that their offspring have the best chance of survival. For example, many birds breed in spring when insects are plentiful, providing a rich food source for their chicks. This timing helps ensure that the young are born when conditions are most favorable. Behavioral adaptations. Behavioral adaptations are also crucial for surviving seasonal changes. Some animals, such as bees, cluster together in large groups to maintain warmth during cold periods. Others, like alligators, bask in the sun to regulate their body temperature during cooler months. These behaviors help animals maintain their internal body temperature and conserve energy when conditions are less favorable. Changes in diet. Seasonal changes often affect food availability, prompting animals to alter their diets. For example, deer may switch from eating green vegetation in the summer to consuming bark and twigs in the winter. Similarly, some omnivores, like bears, focus on berries and nuts in the fall to build up fat reserves before hibernation. These dietary shifts allow animals to make the most of available resources throughout the year. Conclusion. Animals exhibit a wide range of adaptations to survive the challenges posed by different seasons. From hibernation and migration to physical changes and behavioral adjustments, these adaptations are crucial for maintaining survival in a changing environment. Understanding these strategies highlights the remarkable resilience and adaptability of animals in the face of seasonal shifts.